You do realize you can dislike a car without being a hater or a troll. The S2000 is actually pretty iconic. It held the record for the most horsepower per liter naturally aspirated for almost, I think it was about 10 years. Depending on USDM and JDM, it was about 120 horsepower per liter until 2010 when the Ferrari 458 Italia beat it. So to say it's overhyped garbage is kind of pushing it. Like I said, you can dislike cars, but no need to be a troll or a hater. This is literally why the car community is going downhill. People can't respect other people's cars because if it doesn't fit what they like, then apparently it's the worst thing in the world. My opinion, you don't gotta like someone else's car. There's a lot of cars that I don't like either, but I don't go out of my way to talk trash about them. If someone has a car that they enjoy, they obviously bought it because they enjoy it. Respect that car, respect them, I should say, because they bought it because they like it. As long as they respect you, respect them back. If you're a true car enthusiast, you're not gonna go around and just hate on cars for no reason. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk.